apud Helvetios longe nobilissimus vult et dietissimus orgetorix. Here we have a prepositional phrase, adverb, by far. Nobilissimus is a nominative adjective. The most noble, understood, person, guy, by far, was, and he was also the richest, and then we finally get the name, Orgetorix, and I think they put him at the end for emphasis there. Is Massala et Pisone consulibus, regne cupiditate inductus, coniurati onem nobilitatis fecit, et civitate persuasit, ut de finibus suis cum omnibus copiis exerent. Okay, let's chunk this out. Here is your subject, is, he. Then we have when those guys were consuls, ablative absolute, showing when this stuff happened because the Romans named their years by who was in charge. Over here we have motivated, and that's a perfect passive participle talking about Orgetorix, he, motivated by what? By this ablative, by greed, and remember, greed always takes a genitive, motivated by greed of a kingdom. Then here we have an accusative, coniurati onem, which is your direct object. He, something, a conspiracy. What kind of a conspiracy? A conspiracy of nobles. Oh, here's your verb. He fecit et coniurati onem nobilitatis. So he did this, and he persuaded civitate. Notice this is the word civitas, which means the entire state, as opposed to civis, which means citizen. He persuaded the state. And then we have an ut clause over here talking about what he persuaded them to do. So it's an indirect command, ut plus the subjunctive verb. He persuaded the state to, and then we have two prepositional phrases. De finibus suis is one, and cum omnibus copiis is the other. He persuaded the state to exerent, and then the two prepositional phrases.